When I see a beautiful natural landscape with no human development, and I'm standing in absolute awe at the majesty of it, I like to imagine a God creating it, populating it with animals, and he tells them, I want you to live in this glorious place. You've got water to drink, the sun to keep you warm, greenery to lie about in, and when you get hungry, I want you to kill and eat each other. And that does seem to be the world we occupy. When you look at it from a distance, stars in the firmament, oceans, stunning vistas, but up close, killing and eating each other. The other aspect to the genesis of our natural order that I find fascinating is procreation. But when I was growing up, I knew nothing about it. It was the Midwest in the 60s, a highly repressed jackboot Protestant environment, and it really wasn't discussed openly. The only hint I had of that inherent instinct was I really liked butts. A lot. I had no idea it was tied to a biological imperative to perpetuate the species, fill the planet with billions of human beings, and ultimately destroy the ecosystem. I didn't put all that together back then. I just really liked butts. It wasn't until one day in 5th grade health class, our teacher told us an appalling story about intertwined body parts, nether regions, baby production. My classmates and I were completely horrified. But over time it began to make sense, and I realized procreation goes hand in hand with killing and eating each other. It's kind of a supply and demand mechanism. In fact, I've decided when my days are numbered, I want to be eaten by sharks. Not just one shark, a whole gang of them coming at me from all angles. The alternative is a lead-lined waterproof casket taking up valuable real estate, very expensive, so why not be eaten by sharks? It's the ecological thing to do. And also quite economical. The only outlay of cash required is the purchase of an inexpensive wetsuit and occasional practice at making seal-like movements. So in conclusion, I do have some questions about the benevolent creator mythology. Anything this weird had to be a horrible chemical accident. But I still really like butts.